I'm here at the now award-winning Glensound stand here at IBC 2012. I've got Mark Wilson with me again. Hi, Mark.
Hi, good to see you again.
Yeah, and you. So today we're going to talk about a new product that you're showing here. Tell us a little bit about this.
Yes, this is the Gsnake 400M. This is a 16-channel digital audio snake. We think we've put an interesting package together at an interesting price. Because across the 16 channels, I should say we have two units here. This is the 16-channel version. The top one is an 8-channel version. I'll talk about the 16-channel version. It takes analog and AES audio. The analog inputs have line level, multiple gains for mic and phantom power on the inputs. The AES inputs have sample rate converters. And the 16 channels are quite straightforward, that it's slot for slot for each end. There's no configuration, no PC required. If you have a send module at this end and a receive module at the other end, it goes that way. So you can configure the audio as an 8 in, 8 out, 14, 2, however you like it, just by moving the modules around. It will also convert the audio as well, so if you put an AES3 in here, if you have an analog out at the other end, it will convert en route. So no configuration, very straightforward. Also, the link is very interesting on this. We've used the link from our very popular digital commentary system. We were asked many times for extensions of our digital commentary just to expand the I/O, which is what led to the Snake product. So this is our link. It's a 24-bit 48K link that obviously is carrying the 16 channels of audio and a bit of data. Coax, we think, will be the primary method. That'll give you a 400 meters range, and it will also power the remote end. So you don't need any local power, it's just a single cable that will give you that digital link. You have an option of using a copper Ethernet link. That will also power the remote end. We use a power over Ethernet technology, so that has a limit of 100 meters. Or optionally, instead of copper Ethernet, we can give you fibre. Then obviously you can have 10 kilometres if you like with a fibre link, and power the remote end locally, of course. It really is that straightforward. We've tried to keep it fairly simple. There's no configuration required, a very robust link with a few options. And it's the Gsnake 400M, a 16-channel version, and an 8-channel version if required.
Brilliant, Mark. Now these are, as you say, being shown here first time at IBC.
Yes.
What's the availability of these units?
These will be available to ship by the end of this year. So they're just going through final testing at the moment. So they're pretty close. So by the end of the year, they should be available.
That's great. And as I always ask at the end of these videos, people want to find out more, what's the website they can go to?
It is glensound.co.uk.
Mark, thank you very much. And again, as I always say, the link showing on screen now, make sure you go and have a look at their website. And of course, everything that we're doing here at IBC, you will find on our website, which is broadcastshow.com.